Hi, Claire. What you doing? Hi. Are you a happy girl? Are you a happy girl? Yes, you are. Oh, you got your feet. Oh, yeah. You got your feet? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Hi. You're a wiggle worm. Yes, you are. You're a wiggly worm. Are you gonna roll over? You gonna show everybody how you roll over? So I can do it. I'm a big girl.